Good day, sir, and good day, everyone. My name is Sheila May M. Banyadera and from BSE Filipino 2A. So for this video, I will discuss the 10 ICT terms that you should know.
Animation. Animation is a visual art form that uses the rapid display of sequential images to create an illusion of movement.
So the first one that I chose is the animation. So this illusion is created by showing each individual frame or drawing over and over again, usually 24 times per second. Animation has been since at least 1887 when it was invented for films by French film pioneer Emily Reynaud. The first animation technique was very slow. It involves moving objects by using frames per second FPS technique. So this kind of animation was very time consuming, often taking days or weeks to complete one frame. Today's popular animated films use a combination of traditional style and computer animation. So there are three basic methods in which you can create animation. This is the stop motion, pre-motion, and the cell animation.
Augmentation. It is a digital technology that directly substitutes print, for example, and improves either the quality or variety of the content that is made available for teaching and learning purposes.
So the next one is the augmentation. This is the process which technology acts as a direct substitute for previous teaching and learning practices such as work submissions online rather than in person. So many times we see our students in open the text to speech function. They are essentially utilizing technology as a substitute for writing. In augmentation, the technology still acts as a direct tool substitutes but with functional improvements.
Blogging. A personal journal or record of events captured on a website.
So the third one is the blogging. So blogging refers to writing, photography, and other media that self-publish online. So blogging started as an opportunity for individuals to write diary-style entries, but it has since been incorporated into websites for many businesses. So what is the purpose of blogging? So, blogs are informal articles written for the purpose of showing thought leadership and expertise on a topic. So, they are a great way to generate fresh content on the websites and provide a catalyst for email marketing, social media promotion to drive search traffic to your website. So, example of blog posts include beauty product recommendations, travel and vacation tip reviews, and personal blog posts.
Collaborative learning. The practice of learners working together to complete a task or solve a problem.
So the fourth one is collaborative learning. So this is an umbrella term for a variety of educational approaches involving joint intellectual effort by students and teachers together. Usually, students are working in a groups or two or more, mutually searching for understanding, solutions, or meanings, or creating a product. So, a collaborative involves pupils working together on activities or learning tasks in a group small enough to ensure that everyone participates. Pupils in the group may work on separate task contributing to a common work outcome or work together on a shared task.
Collaborative tools. Digital tools that allows learners to work together in online environments.
So the fifth one is the online collaboration tools. So these are the apps, software programs, or platforms that help businesses and their people streamline the creative process and work together more effectively and efficiently. So ano nga ba yung mga collaboration tools? So collaboration tools allow students, instructors, and teaching assistants to exchange resources in a number of different ways, depending on what is needed for a particular task. So, tools include document and resource sharing and collaboration as well as web conferencing. So, yung isang example na rito is yung Google Docs. So, it is the most famous documentation tool because Google Docs allows multiple people to edit the same file at the same time, leave comments, and see changes made by every participant, or what we call revision history. So, all you have to do is invite team members to work on a file in a Google.
Digital education. The use of electronic tools that create, store, and process information to deliver and enhance teaching and learning.
So, the sixth one is the digital education. So, digital education is the innovative use of digital tools and technologies during teaching and learning, and is often referred to as technology enhanced learning, or TEL, or what we call e-learning.
It allows users to take courses online using electronic devices such as a computer, tablet, and even a smartphone. With e-learning, users can take courses from all around the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. E-learning is a proven and effective way to educate your students while tracking their participation and assessment, all at a small fraction of the cost of traditional training. Using e-learning in your business, you can remove travel costs for your students as well as accommodations, training material, and teachers' salary costs. E-learning courses are easy to maintain and update. With the power of e-learning, you allow your users to learn at their own pace and present them with engaging learning through the use of audio, video, interactive games, simulations. E-Learning Media Inc. is an industry leader in e-learning development, and we are here to answer your
Synchronously, not occurring at the same time.
So, the seventh ICT terms that I chose is asynchronously. So asynchronous is online learning allows students to view instructional materials each week at any time they choose, and does not include a live video lecture component. So due to the pandemic, we students experience this asynchronous learning where we don't have to meet online or in person, but there's a lecture video, or rather a video lecture or instructional materials that our teachers post are designated Google Classroom. So in other words, in asynchronous learning, we learn even we don't meet online or face-to-face with our or what we call instructors.
Synchronously, occurring at the same time.
The next one is the synchronously. This synchronous is online learning means that students are required to log in and participate in class at a specific time each week. Also, synchronous learning means that although you will be learning from distance, you will virtually attend the class sessions each week at the same time as your session each week with your instructor and classmates. So, the class is a firm weekly time commitment that cannot be rescheduled. So, much like an on-campus class, you will have readings and assignments to complete outside of class time to help prepare you to participate in the discussion. So, the main difference between asynchronous and synchronous learning is this live instructions component occurring at the same time.
Computer. It is a computers that are small enough to fit on the user's lap and can perform all the same functions as desktop computers.
So the next one is a laptop computer. So today we all know that laptops are used in a variety of settings, such as at work, especially on business trips, in education for playing games, web browsing, for personal multimedia, and for general home computer use. As we all know, laptop computers are popular, or we always see students and teachers how often they're using it.
Mobile learning. The use of mobile devices and or mobile networks to deliver teaching and learning.
So the last one is the mobile learning, also referred as M-learning. This is a way of assessing learning content through mobile devices like cell phones that we often use in our everyday life. So this method empowers learning at the point of need. They don't require to have a huge laptop or constant connection, or and any device can be used to learn. So users don't have to worry about having a specific brand or operating system. They can use whatever they have and get access instantly to content whenever and wherever it suits them. So that's where my video ends, and I hope that you all learned something about the 10 words or ICT terms that I choose and discuss in this video. That's all. Thank you.